So, in today's class, we are going to learn how to sew. That is, learning how to sew from the beginning. How to press your machine using a piece of fabric like this to practice. So, what we are going to do, after getting your fabric like this, we'll rule a line. So, let's go in with 1 inch. 1 inch. Just mark out 1 inch all through. These are guidelines. So, you repeat the same thing over here. Repeat the same thing over here. So after you are done with the 1 inch, so we'll go in with our ruler. Let's rule out the 1 inch we measure earlier. So go with your 1 inch. This is how, after ruling the lines, we're going to have something like this. So we have this like this. So let's get to our machine now to sew it. This right here, this down button mean decrease. Why this up arrow, this one right here means increase. When you press this upper one, is increasing. When you press this down one, it decreases. So since as a beginner, we are going to make use of, we can make use of 100. Oh, sorry. 200 is the least. 200 is the least here. So we can make use of 200. That's the speed limit, because this machine itself has a speed of 200 to 3,500 speed. So as you are progressing, then you can increase your speed. So for today's tutorial, let's make use of 200. Then after fixing it, you press your this meaning so this right here is going to give us a 200 sewing speed. So as a beginner, you don't need to rush your speed. So we are making use of 200 speed. Just go gently. So the machine won't move fast. So you can just go gently. It will be slow, but be patient. Just make sure that you are getting it. So when you are there, back stitch. Then cut it, remove it. Either you remove it or you just turn it round this way. Just turn it round. Then repeat the same process. Just go gently. Make sure that you are following the biro marks. Make sure that you are following it. Just go gently. So make sure that you are following that. Then when you are done, also turn it, repeat it on the other line too. Put in your needle. Just slowly. Just take your time. Hold your fabric, just control it. You will get it when you practice like 2 or 3 times. But you will get it in a day, in less than few hours. So you back stitch. So still repeat the same process too. Now for you to back stitch, we've sew to this extent now. For you to back stitch, that's a back stitch, you are going to press this. For you to back stitch, for instance, we want to back stitch now, so we are back stitching. We want it to go back there, so we are pressing this. Back stitching, you use this. So when you press it down, then it will go. You understand? And also, when you want the needle to move, there is a spreader down here. This is the spreader. You press this machine spreader. Once you press it down, the machine will start moving. This is because I press down the pedal, so the machine will keep moving. So once I remove my leg from the pedal, the needle will stop moving. Keep on repeating the process. So we should be having something like this once you are done sewing. You see the line. If you watch the video to this extent, please subscribe, like, and drop a